Morning, cherubs. How's it going? What a lush morning again for us. It's an early morning this morning. It's like 6 a.m. and I'm dying. Today though, I've got a bit of a mission. I've got a little job up in Lynemouth, up over the border, and then I've got to nip down to Amble and then into Newcastle. So, gonna be passing Berwick and Lynemouth on the way. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? Let's see if we've got time, eh? Laters. First job down. If I want any chance of getting to Lynemouth, I've literally got like 15 minutes at Berwick. So I'm just going to take a quick walk around the spit and jump back in the car, see what we find out. Wow. Look at the shingle beds. First bit. That's a cool bit. That looks like a nice colour. Oh, it's nice and smooth as well. Oh yeah, we like that one, don't we? We'll keep that. There's loads of this. Loads of like broken snap bits. Oh, loads of that. It's all snapped and that. It's got a big crack in the middle anyway, so. Loads of this. Lots of broken glass. It's snapped on the side. That would have been alright. Leave it to get jumbled a bit longer. That looks awesome. Spied something over there. Anyone knows me will tell you that I have the worst eyesight ever, so this must be a map. What? Look at the size of that! Oh my goodness! Hey, that's not bad actually, you know. Look at that. Here and there's quite a steep bank, so loads of pebbles up there but there's nothing in them. Then this is obviously fast water running down here to like a friction zone, so I thought I'd go over here and just have a look. Look at this over here. Look at it. Oh, it's a big, oh, it's all snapped and broken. That's a shame, that's too snapped for me. Back to your home. Look how steep this is, man. How clear the water is. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. Anyway, I wonder if I've lost what I came down for. I haven't. But use the like your blues. Oh, what's that? That up here. Sweet. That's a pretty bit. No, see ya. I missed the water. What is this? Look at that. What's that? Oh, it's a bit chipped. Oh, I might have to keep that though. That's really cool. So this is what we take from Berwick. Quite nice, isn't it? Look at that blue in the middle. Beautiful. Like I say, that piece of washboard, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at those, that lovely teal. I found a green. Look at that green. And then that big one there as well. Look at that. Very nice on there. That's my throwaway pile. I'm putting that blue back. It's too sharp and smashed. It needs a little bit more time. That's a really cool piece of pottery as well, but that's also quite sharp around the edges. But they're all going back. I'll put that in there. Class. And we'll put them in my pocket. I have a hot date, lunch date with my girl who's over in Berwick there somewhere. Got a shop up on West Street, check it out. It's called Loop Emporium. It's class. It's up there somewhere. Anyway, right, peace. How kids? So that was a nightmare, that drive back down from Berwick, man. Honestly, that A1 is just awful sometimes. But does mean, however, I've unfortunately missed my last appointment. So before I go and have Fishy Friday on a Thursday with the Ben, I've got a full hour's picking at low tide here. Get in. So yeah, wicked. Let's go and stop talking rubbish on here to you lot. Bye. Yes, man. There's no one on the beach because it's bloody freezing. I'm glad I put my umbrella on. Look at this. Yes. Let me pick in. That's a lovely bit. Look how smooth that is. All the way around. Oh, yes. This is what I come here to find. I love these. They're so awesome. These big chunky nuggets. Love them. Yes. Yes. Oh. Please be okay. Oh. Man. Yes. Keep that. Now that's a nice bit. Can you see that right in the middle there? Oh, there's a nice, cool shape as well. Oh, I got it to focus, man. That. Ooh, like that. Just a quick little show before they go into the pocket. Some cracking little tinies there, aren't they? Lush. Another big lump. That lush bit of stoneware. Look how old that is. That is stunning, that. Put that in some old green bottle bits. I'm gonna chuck that. That there. I don't normally collect that. I just picked it up because it looked cool at the time. That can stay on the beach. Bye. Yes again. Yes again. Is it okay? Oh, it looks like it might be. That's a little chipped at the top. Look at that. The colours of it. Wow. There's another couple of little green tinies. Perfect. Love it. Oh, and again. Oh, look at this big one. Oh, yes. Come on. Look at that. Sick. It's a good day. Another little awesome handful. Just from like this little spot here where the seaweed is. Just that little bit there. Lush bit of old stoneware. Some beautiful, beautiful deep aquas there. Some lovely bubbles, but check this out. It's a little bit of flash glass. Look at that. How awesome is that? Look there. Sick. That's amazing. How big it is. Right, I want to leave it there, take some photos. Oh, Lynemouth, man. Lynemouth, you never disappoint. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. Yes. And again. There's 2 bits there, that's quite nice. There's a big bit over there. What's that like? That might be alright as well. That's a bit sharp, we'll leave that one there. But look at that. Yes. Yes. And again, my goodness, today. Oh, yes, man. Come on. No. I thought that was a stone. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's an old bit. Oh, yes. Oh, that's straight in the keep up. A few more little bits there. Not sure what that is. Some sort of bonfire milk glass maybe, but I love the way it's gone, like those different greens. A couple of boaty blues. Nice dark green there. Another big chunky bit. Excellent. But I've run out of time, I'm going to have to go, so we're just going to walk back along the beach and have a quick little look, see what we've got, and that's it, bye. So that's it for today, folks. Look what we've got. Oh my goodness. Look at all of those massive bubbles. How nice are they? Bubbles, coins, whatever you want to call them. Some lovely blues for you who like your blues. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. I've got the second one. I've got ceramic spark plug, but hey, you know, a little bit of metal. That lovely olive bit. Amazing. And this is our throwaway pile of the day. There's loads of them. Hang on, get them out. I'll get them out. All of them go back. Chuck them on the beach. See you later. Any more in my pocket. Get rid of them. See you later. Last lot. Excellent. Great. Thanks for joining us, man. It was awesome. If you see us, I'm not wearing it again. Say hi to that. No, I'm literally leaving. I've just done my thing and I'm literally leaving. Look what I found. Oh, bum, 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 bum. Is that a marble? Oh, it's a very, very worn one. Look at him. Lush. They're in focus, not me. Perfect. What an end to the trip.